Review by bowling frame 5. Here's frame 5. Adding and subtracting polynomials. I'm just going to do one of each. If you need more practice than that, you might have to go back and look through your notes. Here's a polynomial. 7p to the third, 5p to the second, 3p plus 1. It is in standard form, meaning the exponents with the highest degree go first. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different terms in there. Terms are separated by addition and subtraction. You want to add to that these 3 terms, but you can only add if they are alike. Okay, they're all peas. Okay, this is a bushel full of a whole bunch of different apples, but these are Granny Smith apples, these are Red Delicious apples, these are Macintosh apples. They're all mixed different kind. So you have to put together the ones that fit, the ones that match. You have 7 Granny Smiths, and over here you have 4 Granny Smiths. When you put those together, you now have 11 still Granny Smith apples. If you had 7p to the thirds, and now you add 4 to the p to the thirds, you have 11p to the thirds. You do not change this exponent. We added exponents when we were multiplying. We're not multiplying here. Keep those. Next group, you have 5p squareds. I think those were my Red Delicious. Do you have any other Red Delicious apples? Nope. So we just put 5p squared. Okay, then I have a negative, no, it's not negative, positive 3p and a positive 3p. If I have 3 of those and 3 of those, I now have 6 of those. Don't change those. And finally, I have a positive 1 plus a negative 1, which is 0. Do not write 0. Leave it as is. Final answer. You cannot add these all together. There's no more simplifying to this. Leave your answer as a polynomial in standard form. 3, 2, 1, none. Here's a subtraction problem. Guess what? We can't subtract polynomials. Can't, won't, don't. Okay? It's harder to do that, so let's add them. I don't like subtracting, neither do you, so let's add them. It'd be nice if it was that easy. But if you were going to change that to a positive, that said it wanted the opposite of every term in here. I want the opposite of 2, the opposite of 5, the opposite of 7, the opposite of positive 2. So this becomes plus, minus, 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 minus. If it was a negative, you'd change it to a positive. If it was a positive, you'd change it to a negative. Now we go ahead and add the like terms. We have 9a cubes, and we're taking away 2 of them, which means we have 7a cubes left. We had positive 4. We're taking away 5, which gives us negative 1. Don't put that 1 in there. We had 2a's, but we're taking 7 away from it, so you're 5 in the hole. You're down 5 in the a's department, minus 5a. And lastly, plus 6. 6 things minus 2 things are 4 things. Double check that your terms are all different. Exponents in order, cubed, squared, first power, 0 power. That's your adding and subtracting polynomials. End of frame 5.